in each of these. If I wanted to take a little bit longer, I could just add up 106 times. So I went ahead here and wrote out our 706 here using our base 10 chart. You can see that if we break our 706 into columns, you can see I have 6 ones, which we have 6 ones right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 0 tens, so there's nothing right in here in our tens column. And then we have 7 100s. So I went ahead and wrote 7 of our large squares, which each have 100 units. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can see that there's a slight difference here between 607 and 706. So if you guys were to look at this here, say for instance, you guys are playing a video game, which number would you guys prefer to have as a total score in your game for points? So say you were playing a game and you're earning points, which number would we rather have? 607 or 706? You guys would rather have 706, okay? And why is that? Because 100 seems to be the largest, okay? And so if 100 seems to be the largest, why would the 7 here be better than the 6? Okay, so we think because 7 is larger than 6. Okay, that is correct. All right, so since we modeled here 607 and 706, you guys are going to work individually to model 706 by yourselves using our base 10 packets. So if you want to go ahead and grab those from our desks, I'm going to grab my own here. We'll come right back together here in just one moment. So we're going to use our 10s, our 1s, and our 100s to model our 706 using our base 10 system. Alright, so returning to the group here, we are going to look at 706. So as we can see here, this is my full number. I have my 1s column, my 10s, then over here I have my 100s. So as we looked at 706, we knew that in the 1s column, we had 6 1s. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 1s. I move over to the 10s column, and I don't have any 10s. And remember, our 10 strips look like this. So I don't have any 10 strips here. So we're going to move over to our 100s. And we know that each 100 is 10 of our 10 strips. So that I know if we add 10 times, we're going to get 100. So I can go ahead and count how many I have here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 100s will equal 700. So by using our base 10 system, your guys' model should look like this. We're going to have 7 100s, 0 10s, and 6 1s. Now we are going to be using our base 10 system to rank some numbers from least to greatest. So to do this, you can either use your base 10 pieces as we used in our last example, or you can represent your base 10 pieces here by writing some like this. I'm just gonna put a piece of paper here really quick. Can do some big squares for the hundreds. Some lines here, each representing 10 ones for our tens. Or you can do a small little dot here for each of your units. So you can either do it this way or again use our materials. So what we are going to do is you're going to work individually here using either of those two methods to use those base 10 materials to organize the following numbers in order from least to greatest. So those numbers here are going to be 319, 135, 864, 900, and 420. So if you guys want to write these numbers down, or you can look back up here as a reference. I'm going to keep them right here. You're going to work individually and decide if you think we can organize these from least to greatest by using our base 10. So we're going to come back together here in about 10 minutes. Just make sure we're working alone. I'm going to be walking around here if you guys need any help. So we're going to work on this for 10 minutes starting now. Can I get everyone's attention up